What do you do in the morning? When do you do in the morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast.
What activities do you enjoy after work? What activities do you enjoy after work?
I like reading, watching TV, or spending time with friends. I like reading, watching TV, or spending time with friends.
How do you usually travel to work? How do you usually travel to work?
I usually take the bus or walk. I usually take the bus or walk.
What do you eat for lunch? What do you eat for lunch?
I have sandwiches, fruits, or sometimes leftovers. I have sandwiches, fruits, or sometimes leftovers.
What time do you finish your day? What time do you finish your day?
I finish around 5 or 6 in the evening. I finish around 5 or 6 in the evening.
What hobbies do you have? What hobbies do you have?
I enjoy drawing, playing sports, or listening to music. I enjoy drawing, playing sports, or listening to music.
When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 or 11 at night. I usually go to bed around 10 or 11 at night.
How do you relax on the weekends? How do you relax on the weekends?
I relax by spending time outdoors, watching movies, or visiting friends. I relax by spending time outdoors, watching movies, or visiting friends.